Another outfit of the day, and y'all know I come to y'all with the cute outfits of the day. So today I got on these leggings, y'all, and baby, y'all can't tell me none of these leggings. So yesterday I went working out and I was super sore when I got up, so I was like, I'm not putting on no jeans or nothing. We ain't even supposed to wear leggings, but Nicole got them on today because Nicole is sore. So I'm rocking my leggings from Torrid, y'all, and baby, you can't tell me these leggings are like everything. I got it on with this shirt from Torrid that says Barbie. Just got it on with some cute little Nikes. But y'all, I'm trying to get my body right and tight, y'all. Like, I got a nice body, but I don't like my stomach. And then I just need to, you know, lift that booty up. But y'all, this is it. I'm done talking. Of course, I always tell y'all, Her Kennedy's curls. See y'all later, and thank y'all for watching. Remember how you did it. Remember